Okay, so welcome back, guys. Today I've got something special to show you. This is the BTR 152V. You can see it's got some Arab markings on the side. This was a widely used vehicle. It was a personnel carrier that was developed in the end of 1948 by the Russians, Soviet Union to be precise, and it saw service all around the world in various different armies. Now, why do I have it today? Well, because this is going to be part of my Ho Chi Minh diorama, which I'll be working on. I'll show you the image and boom, there it is. That is the markings for one of these that would have been found on the Ho Chi Minh Trail. So I'm really looking forward to working on this design and also building this kit, because this is going to be a really good one to build, I think. Now, really unusual opening. It's never seen this before. Again, it's ICM. So I've already built the Icm Communication Truck, and I can actually show you that now. All completed. Just need. I've done a couple of modifications on this. I've basically added some of my own details. So I've got the window down, like so. I've got some of the tires on the side here. I did a little kind of editing of the ladder, so it's bent around the side, and I messed up the top here. It should be the other way around, but who cares? It looks cool. I might switch it around later, who knows. But there you go, that is the ICM kit, and it wasn't too bad. It was pretty good. Right, so very unusual way of looking at this kit. This one is got a box within a box. So let's have a look. Well, that's nice. That's very smart looking. Again, small little bag. Parts look pretty good. Nice instruction manual. Very clear. Again, very simple. Very simple kit to build. Looks like it'll be a good one as well. And then you've got the markings you've got for Czechoslovakian army and also for the Soviet Union. But what I'm going to do, like I said, is turn this into a North Vietnamese patrol vehicle that would have been on the Ho Chi Minh Trail. So that's going to be looking for some decals, which I'm not sure how I'll get them, but I think I might have a couple of ideas. But it's quite nice. Again, very similar. In fact, this is based off of the chassis of the 157. So this is exactly the same chassis. Yeah, it's a 152. So there's no difference really between this and this in the same instruction manual. The only changes were that they gave you a cab on the inside with some dials. Now, what's a real shame about the other kit is they didn't give you dials, so I had to build one myself, which wasn't too bad. But that's quite nice. Very clear, very same running gear as well. Inside's pretty cool as well. Lots of detail you can put in. This is an open top. The later versions had a armoured cover because, of course, they were getting picked off by planes. That's all going to be part of the fun, because I've also got a new kit that I bought, which is the OV-10A, and this is an absolute beast. These were forward air controls, or FARC or FACs, and these things would be basically patrolling the Ho Chi Minh Trail, blazing targets with a ridiculous amount of weaponry, and then calling in Thunder Chiefs to basically finish them off. So that is going to be a really cool kit. We'll do a review of that soon. All part of the same diorama, really. So let's have a look at the pieces. Let's first look at the decals. So this is quite nice. You've got some different decals here. You've got the German Democratic Republic, and you've got also some ambulance signs as well, which might be fun to put on. Some pretty cool kind of numbering there, and a couple of other signs that you can probably put your own stuff in. I might try and attempt to build my own North Vietnamese markings. Wish me luck. That's not going to be easy, but it's quite nice. It's quite a nice little selection there, so that's quite good. Let's look inside and see what the pieces are like. Again, this is going to be so similar to the last one, to the 157. Pretty much identical, in fact. Again, quite a nice size. Quite a decent looking size as well. Really simple. Got a nice little kind of engine detail there, as if you can see that, that's quite nice. That's not bad. In fact, that's not engine detail, that's inside of the cab, which is pretty good. I like that. Just dropping it all over the place. So, real simple fit. Just the dry fit actually is quite simple. It's quite nice, quite smart. Then you just start building up the interior really. So no issues there. Again, really nice quality. Yeah, good looking. Oh, you got a nice Dushka mounted machine gun. There you go. Again, the exact same thing. I don't like these. I've decided. I do not like these. These are meant to be the protectors in front of the lights, and they just don't look like the ones in the photos. So what I've done is I've actually designed and edited them so that they have a little bit more uniformity to what they look like on the box, you know. So they've been cut down a bit. So I kind of prefer that. So I'll have that on my unit. I don't know if you can see that clearly. There you go. See around here. So I'm going to have that on this armoured car. I've decided. I think it just looks a bit better, to be honest. Again, drive shaft is the exact same one. Because it's pretty cool that, you know, it's a variant of another truck like this one. That means that you can literally just take the same pieces, which means you've got the same wheels. So it's going to be a fun one to build, I think. I'll be working on it today. You'll see a couple of different things. I don't think it will take long. The last one only took about 2 days to build. That's on and off like 2 hour, 3 hour periods. I reckon I could probably get this whole thing finished and done by the end of today. But I would say that is a pretty cool kit.